I don't know why it's so many dead animals here. You can see here, it's a dead duck. It's actually duct taped. Lots of dead animals all over the place. I don't know, but it's a pretty cool area. Usually I shoot out in the forest, but today we're gonna shoot out in the urban jungle, and we're gonna test a camera that came out 2009. Watch this.
Concrete jungle, life cuts, life heals. It's rough, it's raw, but every scar is real. Yeah, it's cold and stripped, steel bones, win and win. But the deepest love and grit live right here in the thick of it. Oh yeah.
Yeah, 2009, Sony released the A380 with 40.1 megapixel, and you know, megapixel was a big thing back then, but it also came with this lens 1855. Yeah, it's on, and yeah, it's actually a DSLR camera, and it's quite good actually. It is, and it has this CCD sensor in it, which is something that I like a lot. So yeah, we're gonna test ride it out here in the urban jungle. What can be more urban like this? You see, it's concrete everywhere, and we also have like a rat cemetery here with lots of dead rats. You see them here, they're all over the place. They're big ones too. So it's kind of gross area, but it will look cool, I think. Yeah, just look at my bike here. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna take a picture of that one to start with. I'm not gonna go around the area here in this urban jungle. It's changing locations, different views and stuff like that. So yeah, get ready for the test of the A380 in 2026. Let's do it. Actually, I was biking over here, and I have this cool bike. I think you've seen it before. I have it in some videos, and this little bag here is perfect for your camera that you can have in front here. It's perfect. Ortlieb is the best thing for your camera if you're gonna bring it on your bike. All right, 16. It says 16. Take my camera through the fence and see if I can snap some cool things, and try out the zoom. The full zoom on this one is 55. Yeah, so yeah, let's give it a try. So I found this abandoned wagon here. I'm gonna take some pictures of it. It looks pretty cool. I don't know what it is. Looks like some ventilation stuff on top of it, but it's sure is abandoned. There's lots of trash around here. So yeah, let's dive in with the A380 and see how we can capture some cool looking images. It's gonna be arty. Yeah, it's gonna be arty. I'm gonna take the bike and bike to another area. I need to discover some other things here around, because I think I'm done here. Try to find the next spot. I found the it. On a backyard, I found a really old classic car. Look at this. A yellow Oldsmobile. That's freaking awesome. So I'm gonna snap some pictures of that. So I mean, even in the most concrete areas you can find the most fantastic things like old cars. So let's snap it with this A380. Let's do it.
One eternity later.
Alright, so I'm done with the urban shooting in the urban jungle with the dead animals and rats. So I'm on my way home and take a look at my catch that I had with the images. I think I got some pretty good ones, especially with the car. The car was awesome, by the way. Anyways, this camera, the Sony A380, is a decent camera for the price of $18. You're gonna have fun with it. It have a CCD sensor, which I told you before, and the CCD sensor with 14.1 megapixel comes with a downside, lots of noise. So in low light conditions, I cannot recommend this camera at all actually, because it's so sensitive if you boost up the ISO. Over 200 ISO you get lots of grain into it, and it's not like it's nice grain, it's very disturbing noise, just like a white noise in music kind of. But other than that, this camera works fine for street photography or like artisty stuff, and if you like to have this filmic look over your images, this one is one to aim for. It's a really cool camera and it's really light. The battery time is like 2 minutes. No, it's okay. I was out for like 4 hours and still have the same battery. So I shot like, I don't know, 70 images or something like that, but still got the batteries fully charged, kind of. Like 2 dots lost. But it's a small battery, so you need 2 batteries at least. But go out there and grab your own A380. You will not regret it. It's a really good, cool camera. And you can watch the pictures here.
Even if the sky is falling down, I know that we'll be safe and sound. I can lift you up. I can show you what you want to see and take you where you want to be. You can be my love. Even if the sky is falling down, I know that we'll be safe and sound.
Thanks for watching me and the A380. Next week I'm gonna bring another camera into the game, which is an awesome one. I can promise you that. That will be a special one. So stay tuned for that one. And if you do, subscribe and like my channel down below and you will get noticed when I publish it. Okay guys, see you later. Peace, arrivederci, I'm out.